Serial number
50
Serial number 50.
50.
LPA-434.
Yes.
At my previous hearing, I had expressed precisely the apprehension that the respondent would try to defer the hearing by not supplying translation, and your lordship had graciously assured that if we supply the translation, we would be heard. We have supplied the translation both at the registry on 18, and it's been mentioned, and we have also served a copy on them, my lord.
The party in person,
to be heard.
party appearing in person submits. The translated copies have been furnished. Registry to verify and put up the file on and list the matter on
The earliest possible.
4/8.
Because it is a cross appeal, therefore, it will work.
Both will come.
Both will. Please, yes.